What am I going to make with some mushrooms and a red onion on a little bit of vinegar? I'm going to make pickled vegetables. I chop the onion all up and I put it in the jar with the mushrooms. Don't have to chop them up. They're already sliced. Pour it in the vinegar. Put it in the fridge for a little bit. And they get pickled. And then I use it on top of all kinds of food. I put it on top of salads. I put it on the side of my plate to eat with whatever I'm having for dinner. And believe it or not, it is really good on top of eggs or with eggs. I don't cook it in the eggs. I serve it with the eggs, whether it's an omelet or scrambled eggs, it doesn't matter. Let's get started. As I chop up my red onion, I take the ends and the peel and I put it into my compost bucket, which is an old Folgers plastic container. And all of this, along with my coffee grounds, banana peels, and anything else I can put in there that goes good for my composting. This is my kitchen compost. That'll go out in the garage and then eventually into my garden. Stay tuned for the springtime when I show you what I do with all these compost buckets. There is actually a playlist on my channel of not just my channel, but other channels that are participating in making the pickled veggie recipes. So make sure to check out that playlist. It'll be linked down below. I'll try to remember to throw it in the comments too. So what I did here was I did alternating layers of the mushrooms and red onions, and now it's time to pour in the vinegar. I just put this on my refrigerator door and I definitely put a lid on it. And in about 2 weeks, it's ready for consumption. Please like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.